Can you imagine 4 months in day trading and already funded with $200,000 of buying power? That's insane. Welcome everybody to another funded trader of TradethePool. Today, Mohammad is with me, a new funded trader, traded 200,000 of buying power. We'll talk today with Mohammad about everything, his trading in general, and of course, the journey with TradethePool. Thanks for coming, Mohammad.
Thank you so much for having me, Michael. I really appreciate it.
For sure. It's a pleasure. And, I always start this video by just talking about generally about trading, right? Your journey and your history. Let's maybe start from the end and go back, or from the end and go back to the beginning. So tell us a little bit about your journey with TradethePool.
With TradethePool, actually, I just recently started a few months ago, and I was not the day trader at the time. So my friend told me you have to become and look for the how the day trading is. So I'm just, you can say, the newborn for the day trading. So I'm still learning. And yeah, I did try a few times, and thanks God I was able to clear the evaluation. And that's my experience with the Trade the Pool. It's just recently started.
How did you hear about us?
From my friend, he was also using the same Trade the Pool, so he introduced me. And before I was using the IBKR and Trade Zero, and yeah, with my bank too, but not the day trading.
So before the day trading, did you do like swing trading or long-term investing?
Long-term investment actually, my bank. So it was since when the COVID is happened, so there was nothing to do anything. So I thought, why not try and see how the trade is going in the stock market. So that was my first interact with the stocks
With the market, okay.
in the market.
And you never traded before that? Before TradethePool, you never traded, just invested?
Yeah, invested in the long term. Day trading is completely is very new to me, and it's very, like I can say that it's too many things is involved for the day trading. If you
Yeah.
don't have any previous experience, so yes, that's why I didn't pass a few evaluation, and yeah, it's still learning.
So take us a little bit through this journey, right? When you started, you decided you want to try it, you want to go for the day trading. What do you do? How do you start to learn about day trading, strategies, risk management? What did you do?
Yeah, initially, as I said, there was no any clue for the how the day trading is works. So I lost a lot of things. Like I don't have the idea how I can be immediately sell the trade when I'm in. I tried to leave for a while because the in previously I had the long term basis. So I thought maybe the stock will becomes up like more benefit or profit. So at that time I don't have the risk management capability and risk management how I can be deal with this risk management. So I lost a lot in one trade is approximately 2,500, sometime 3,000. So I lost that way. And also I leave those trade for our like overnight, and that is also had a very big problem. So that's I come over and I feel no, this is the I have to be do the some risk management, so I avoid those kind of mistake and issues.
That's amazing. I mean, the guys that listening right now, can you imagine 4 months in trading, day trading, and already funded with $200,000 of buying power? That's insane. The shift and generally the evolution that we see from traders coming, or even as you said, like you did some investment before, but never really traded, and within 4 months you're on the funded stage. That's incredible to see. I'm gonna share my screen and show the guys at home your dashboard and how it looks like. Every trader gets his own dashboard so you can track your stats and of course
Mhm.
see the progress. Okay, so we got it. Okay, so you traded the flex $200,000 of buying power. Flex means that you're unlimited time to pass the evaluation. So you got, just take your time, do it slowly, and then pass. Super easy, 6%. That's all you need to reach the $12,000 mark with $8,000 of max loss in this case and a daily pause of 4K. You did it very nicely. Your P&L curve looks pretty sharp, always to the upside, a little bit of pullbacks, but that's super normal. And let's talk about your trades. In mostly you trading, it was a mix, right? Between the Tesla and also some small caps. Tell me a little bit about that. Why did you decide to go with the small cap?
Normally, I use the like from the $2 till the $10 stocks, majority of those, and I never go for the penny stock because I don't know how to be deal with the penny stock. But from the small cap, from the $2 to $10, yes, there is a lot of opportunity. Like when it is, sometime I notice if the shares goes above the 100% during the day, so there is a very good opportunity to be buy those trade.
So talking about the small caps, I do see that you going long and short, but preferably short. But most of them are definitely on the short side. You got, if I'm looking at the stats here,
Yeah.
yeah, you got most of them on the short side, 34 comparing to 7. What are you looking for when it comes to trading those small caps?
When the like shares is goes more than above the 100%, first I look for that where it can be reached. I have the some idea like whenever the market is start the working, so we have the some idea how the trade is, what was the news and how the volume is coming in. So the majority of time I look for the how the chart is becoming like a double top. If there is a double top and the high is already there.
Trading is not, it's not yes or no, right? It's for one person, it will need 5 indicators to make a decision. The other one will need a naked chart. One will take breakouts, the other one will take mean reversal, adding on a loser, adding on a winner. So many ways to actually trade pre-market, regular trading hours, the beginning, the opening bell, the power hour. So there are tons of ways to trade. As long as you find your niche, your specific case,
Correct.
that's it. You're good to go with it. So it's
Correct.
just a matter of, it's super individual. So, Muhammad, first of all, thanks so much for sharing this knowledge. At the end of the day, someone that didn't day trade until the last 4 months, started to trade, learned how to do it, and passed the evaluation with 200,000 of buying power. That's insane. And that's really, congrats on that.